audible beta? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure. What will be the answer for this question beta? Like say for example, if I take the spring something like this, so like say for example, this is your block diagram, and here is your block of mass, say for example of your M. Two springs are connected to this one like this, isn't it? Spring constant of
Yes,
this one is nothing but of your K, and this one is also say for example K. Now tell me, time period for this one will be equal to how much?
sir. So they're parallel, sir. First thing, so then there'll be 2K, right, sir?
Yeah, this is your
Yes.
M, and there is one spring here right now, and there is one more spring here right now. For this one, what will be the time period? Yeah, for this one, K effective the Sanjog. For
2K.
this one, K effective is equals to 2K,
Yes, sir.
one above the above. So T is
Yes, sir.
equals to 2 pi under root of your M by
M by
2K
2.
is your answer.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now tell me what is the answer even for this one. This is a
Sir,
2
here
pi
also
under
you'll
root
get
of your
2K
M
only, right,
by. So when two springs are being connected, this is K and this is also K. And a block is in middle, that will be again what type of a combination? Parallel. Like say you try to pull this one above slowly. So we will
sir? Yes,
find that
sir.
these two
They'll
are
form
coming
parallel.
almost like a parallel to each other.
Yes, sir.
So that will
Yes,
be equal to how much for me? 2K.
2K.
So answer will be equal to, if I'm asking the ratio for that one, 1:1 will be the answer for the given question. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that is about your time period of your simple, what do you call that one? So spring particulation by which method? By your force method. By your force method particulation. Is that clear? We'll try to do
Yes,
more
sir.
number of questions based upon this one also beta. So let us try to go for the next method. That is nothing but of your energy method. Okay, derivation of your energy, calculation of a time period by your energy method. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
next calculation of time period, calculation of your time period by energy method, by your energy method. We చెప్పారు అన్ని క్లాస్ లో
Yes, sir.
ఎనర్జీ మెథడ్ టైం పీరియడ్ మెథడ్ అన్ని అయిపోయినాయా?
Yes, sir.
చలో స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1. So what do you do is locate again same equilibrium position. Locate the equilibrium position. Locate the equilibrium position. Step number 2. Step number 2. So what we'll try to do? Displace the body from the mean position by the small amounts. First number 1 and 2 are same condition right now. So what I'll write here? Displace the body. Displace the body from its where beta? Mean position or equilibrium position. Mean position by a small amount. By a small amount. Okay, that is a step number 3. Now come to the step number 3. Step number 3 lo em chestamanటే find the mechanical energy of the body beta. What do you mean by mechanical energy? Find the mechanical energy. Find the mechanical energy at this position. What do you mean by mechanical energy? Can anyone tell me? What is the mechanical energy beta? Total
Sir,
energy.
which? Yes, sir.
Potential and kinetic energy. Potential and kinetic energy is called as mechanical energy. So I can write here, since mechanical energy remains constant, since mechanical energy remains constant, remains constant in simple harmonic motion in SHM. Therefore, dE by over dt will be equal to 0. dE by dt must be equal to 0 because it is always remaining constant. What you'll do for such type of a condition, we need to differentiate it, maxima minima concept. So differentiate the total energy, capital E, with respect to time. And what do you do? Replace dx by your dt with your velocity, dv by your dt with your acceleration. Okay, or I can say dt by your dt, or ఒకవేళ angular లో ఉందనుకోండి, x బదులు ఏమొస్తుంది, d theta by your dt will be your angular velocity omega, and v బదులు ఏమొస్తుంది, angular velocity d omega by your dt, you replace it by your alpha. This is for your angular SHM. నాది చెప్తాను. And this is for your linear SHM. ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడుతుంది లీనియర్ SHM గురించి. అంటే కైనమాటిక్స్ అప్లికేషన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఇది తీసుకో. Circular path lo move ayeటప్పుడు x is represented by theta. So d theta by dt is omega, and velocity is represented by omega. So d omega by dt is equals to your alpha part definition. Is it clear? So that is my step number 3. Then try to go for the next step. That is nothing but of your step number 4. So step number 4 says me right now for me, compare with the equation, of SHM. What is that equation of SHM? A is equals to minus of omega square into x. Okay, and use time period form, and use capital T is equals to your 2 pi by your omega. Okay, so these are the things you need to do it in the step number 4. Step number 4, you equate it with acceleration. A is equals to minus of omega square into x. Then use the formula T is equals to 2 pi by omega and try to simplify and write the answer for that one. Is the steps clear for us?
Yes, sir.
Step number 1, locate the equilibrium position. Step number 2, displace the body from the mean position by a small amount. Step number 3, find the mechanical energy at this position. Since mechanical energy remains constant, dE by your dt must be equal to your 0. That means you're differentiating energy with respect to time. So differentiating the total energy with respect to time, replace dx by dt వస్తే b తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయి, dv by dt వస్తే a తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయి. లేకపోతే యాంగులర్ ఉందనుకో, d theta by dt ని ఒమేగా తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయి, d omega by dt ని ఆల్ఫా తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయి. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us try to do the previous problems by the force method వచ్చింది కదా ఇంతకు ముందు రెండిటి కూడా. సో రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేశాను స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 4 వరకు. ఇది ఫోర్స్ మెథడ్ చేసిన, దీనికి సేమ్ కండిషన్ గుర్తుందా? ఫోర్స్ మెథడ్ లా డిస్ప్లేస్ ద బాడీ ఫ్రమ్ ద mean position. This is your condition, spring block system on a smooth horizontal floor. This is by force method. Now let us try to do the energy method itself here. మనకు ఆన్సర్ అంతే రావాలి. ఏదైనా ఒక మెథడ్ యూస్ చేయి, which ever you feel comfortable you can practice with it.
Yes.
So let us try to do your energy method. So energy method la, what is our first step right now beta? Displace the body from the mean position and write all the forces acting on the body. So in this one, now tell me what are the energies of this one. Initially the energy in the spring is what beta? Spring energy half of your k into x square. When you move it to a certain distance, that means you are moving it with a certain velocity kada. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ తీసుకెళ్తున్నావు అంటే velocity ని తీసుకెళ్తున్నావా, దీనికి మాస్ m ఉంది అంటే it possesses what type of energy? Kinetic energy ఉంటుందా దీనికి? That means the total energy of the system will be equal to how much beta? Energy of the spring, that is nothing but half into k into x square. దాన్ని మీన్ పొజిషన్ నుంచి ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ పొజిషన్ తీసుకెళ్తున్నాం అంటే దాన్ని కొంచెం వెలాసిటీ ఇస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి హాఫ్ ఇంటూ m into v square. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is this step clear? అర్థమైంది? అర్థం కాదు. See, spring లో ఎప్పుడు నీకు పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ ఉంటుంది కదా నాన్న ఇనిషియల్ గా.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Energy in the spring is always half into k into x square. In equilibrium position, velocity is 0. Now what is your step number 2? Displace the body from mean position to extreme position. When you're moving from mean to x part of relation, that means you know that the velocity of the body is nothing but v. You're moving from mean to x to the extreme position and you're giving velocity kada. So it possesses what type of energy? Kinetic energy.
Okay. Got
isn't
it.
it? So now we got your both potential energy of the spring and kinetic energy of the particle. Now differentiate this one with respect to time. That is dE by your dt. Chain rule apply cheyaలి. So that is equals to half of k is your constant right now here. Differentiation of x square is x is a variable, constant కాదు ఇక్కడ. So that chain rule apply చేస్తే ఈ x square ని first differentiate చేసుకో. So right now what we will try to do, ఈ total x square ని right now if I am differentiating, so x square differentiation is 2x. Again you differentiate only the inner term, that is nothing but of your dx by your dt. Chain rule. First differentiate the outer term, then differentiate the inner term. X square differentiation is the 2x. Then differentiate the inner term. Differentiation of inner term is x and dx by your dt. Okay, na? Plus.
Yes, sir.
This one is your half into your m, again constant. Differentiate v square. Outer term differentiate cheyi. So v square differentiation enta 2v. Inner term differentiation ante endi dv by your dt. dv by your dt. This total must be equal to how much beta? 0. Antena? So I can
Yes,
write
sir.
here right now for this one. చూడు ఏదైనా క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ e2 ఇక్కడ e2 వెళ్ళిపోతే, so this will become for me k into your x dx by dt ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అనుకున్నా నేను. dx by dt ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? Displacement by time is what? Velocity,
Velocity, yes, sir.
isn't it? Plus this one is your this two will get cancelled, so this one is your m. V, this one is nothing but of your m into your v. dv by dt is represented by velocity by time. Velocity by time. అరే velocity by time ఎంత? acceleration కదా?
Yes, sir.
Then dv by dt is what? Acceleration.
Acceleration.
dv by dt ఎంత అవ్వాలి మొత్తం? 0.
0.
అవునా కదా? So
Yes,
that is a
sir.
given condition. So now if I am writing this relation right now, kx into v, that means I can write this one as of your kx into your v is equals to minus of your m into v into your e. That means acceleration will become for me a is equals to your minus
v.
of your k into v into your x divided by ఇక్కడ v కూడా cancel అయిపోతుంది కదా. So it is your m into v. ev get cancel అయిపోతే, so acceleration
Minus
will
k
be equal to your how
by
much?
v.
a is equals to your minus of your k by your m into your x. So this is your
Yes.
acceleration. What you'll do? Compare with
That's the same
what?
equation.
A is equals to minus of omega square into your x. So omega square value ఎంత వస్తుంది? Omega square value is equals to k by your
K by
m.
m.
So omega is equals to under root
K by
of
m.
your k by your m.
Yes, sir. Again,
Okay,
we
na?
are getting.
So again we are getting the same relation. So use the formula t is equals to 2
2
pi
pi
by
by
your omega. So it is equals to 2 pi into under root of, this will become for me how much better?
m by k.
Omega value under root of k by m. So m 5 కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి m
M
by your k. So that is your time period. వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we got the same answer by both the methods. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can practice that one. But there are
Yes,
some
sir.
problems by which we can't do it by the force method. So energy method is required for some problems compulsorily. That is the reason
Okay,
you
sir.
need to remember both the methods compulsorily. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It was about your first condition. Okay. So both by
Yes,
the
sir.
energy method and as well as of your force method, I have done you one problem. The same way, second problem also you can do like that only. This one. ఇదది. ఎనర్జీ మెథడ్ లో దీనికి ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ లో చూడాలి మనం. విల్ గెట్ ద టైం పీరియడ్. అవును కదా? సో
Yes.
ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్ వన్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ది spring block system suspended vertically. We got the answer first by which method? With the force method. రాయలేదని ఇక్కడ. So I'll write here right now. This is by your force method.
Force method.
This one also we need to do it by energy method. అది రేపు చేసుకుందాం.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా?
Okay.
Bye.